Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan DePaul here. And in this video, what we're going to be talking about is Nowsite's newest feature. And I touched on it before. It's kind of a two-in-one, but I've touched on it before in the past. But it was exclusively to a certain person, Eric Worre. But this time is going to be open to the, well, kind of open to the public. You'll see what I'm talking about. But what we're talking about is Leader AI and Nowsite Teams. It's kind of like I said, two-in-one, and it's actually pretty cool though. I love it. We've been waiting for this for a long time. This is something that we've been talking about to doing and for a long time. So I'm going to show you. Well, Justin, the CEO, is going to show you what this can do, what this does, and how it looks. And we'll come back and talk about how you can get this and how you can get your hands on this and how this can help you. So with that, I'm going to pass it on to Justin so you guys can watch this and see for yourself because it's amazing.
By the way, I'm Justin. I'm the founder of Nowsite. This has been a long time coming. This has been several months, right? Like several months of most of our development team. Like don't get me wrong. Like the things that we've been working on with video AI have been awesome, like totally awesome. But this has been more than half of our engineering effort for the last several months, and we've been quiet about it because it is a really big thing, and we wanted to make sure that it was really mind-blowingly powerful. So we waited. Okay. All right. And now we've waited long enough. The waiting's over. Let's get started. Wonder if Koan AI has anything to say about this. Let's find out. Let's find out. Let's have a little chat with Koan AI for the first time ever. Okay, so first question. What can you do that the real Koan can't do?
I can speak multiple languages and stay up later than 10 at night. Joking aside, while there's no substitute for the real Kawan, I've been trained on hours of his content, ensuring I can provide insights just like he would. I'm always here to help.
That's a good joke. Stays up later than 10. All right, let's go a little bit further here. Let's see. Speaking of languages, let's get Koan AI to share something inspirational about entrepreneurship, but let's do it in Spanish.
El emprendimiento es crecimiento. Acepta los desafíos, mantente comprometido y el éxito llegará.
Koan AI, your Spanish is excellent. And now this is going to help the real Koan expand all across the US and beyond. Okay, one more question. Why are you excited about the new Teams feature?
I'm really excited about the Teams feature because it takes collaboration and leadership to the next level. With this tool, I can easily connect with my team, share valuable content, and ensure everyone is on the same page. It's all about making sure we're growing together, and the Teams feature makes that process seamless and effective. This is a game changer for anyone serious about building a strong, unified team and making money like a boss.
Love it. Love it. Okay, so let's see now. Let's take a look inside Koan's team and see what's possible in there. So, of course, if you are lucky enough to be invited into Koan's team, you will be able to speak anytime you want in any language, any time of day or night, with Koan AI, who we've now met. but we're just getting started. Let's take a look over at courses. So we know Quan has, those of you who work with Quan, he has an extensive, what's it called? What's the university called again?
Elite University.
Elite University. So look, we've already been starting to put some of those, that amazing content all here in one place, accessible anytime. All these different courses. Here's one for elite credit repair. Beautifully organized, all the different videos. I can see that I finished video 1. I'm 28% through video 2. I can mark that as complete, right? And as the team leader, Kawan will also be able to track my progress, to know exactly, how people are moving through all of his different courses and trainings. So live chat, courses, and content management. Right, being able to set up super user-friendly flows, register, how to get started, how to create your own website, totally customizable, super simple, desktop, mobile, and as many of these sites as you want. So you could have one for onboarding, you could have another one dedicated to, let's say, websites, right? And I can, so easily drag this one, drop it over there, or bring it up top. If I want to add more content, maybe objection handling, I can just click text. And here's some objection scripts. If a prospect says it's too expensive, tell them ABC. Right, and I can save that script, and now it's accessible to anybody, and I can move it around, and it's just that easy and just that user friendly. And I can do the same thing: images, links, videos, other types of files, and of course templates too. Right, so it's not just external content; it's all, anything that you build inside our system. You now have a perfect place to share all of that content.
What did I tell you? That was fantastic. That was mind-blowing to see Kawan. He's on my team. We're business partners too. To be able to clone himself and take all of our content that we have in the Elite University and put it on here and make courses for onboarding, for people to learn stuff. Could you imagine what's possible if you're a leader that has a big team in network marketing and you want to be able to onboard? That's the hardest part, is the onboarding. People don't have a good onboarding, fluent system that just is so automated. This creates that. Mainstreams, whatever you want to call it. It's amazing. I can't wait to get my hands on this one, because it comes out, depends on when you're seeing this, this week. So that's what you see right there, the whole leader AI, being able to clone your AI avatar and your voice and speak multiple languages to anyone. And it's crazy, because I've actually lost people who want to join my team because it was a language barrier. They say, hey, I saw your videos and I speak Spanish. My English isn't that good. My Spanish isn't that good. And I had to pass them off to somebody else, because I'm like, not pass them off, but help, give them to somebody else, because I want them to succeed. And if that language barrier wasn't there, with this can help that. This will, like, hey, everything you need is right here. Everything that's in here is right there, in your language. So there's no more language barrier. All the training, all the courses, all the product knowledge is right there. This is amazing. This is so cool. I can't wait. And you saw what you do. Like, actually, you can track and see how your team is actually progressing, how your new associates and teammates and business partners are progressing, where they got stuck at in the training or the onboarding. You can say, hey, I see that you need some help right here. Is everything okay? You stop right here. This is just a game changer. This is going to be amazing for helping people build that duplication. But I can go on and on about this. So between the AI avatar that can speak multiple languages in your own voice and has all your knowledge programmed into it about a company, services, making money online, businesses, marketing, man, leaders are going to be flocking to this. And if you're not flocking to this and you're a leader, I guess you was like working harder instead of working smart. So that's all I'm gonna say about that. Now, what I do want to touch on is a little bit. There's like, oh, how to get this? Well, it's not available yet because it's not gonna cost anything, and you probably want to watch this video right here to find out how to get that.